Welcome back to the channel. If you're just joining us, make sure to check out part 1 in this mini-series. Mike and I started building a live edge table and log bench for my friend's coffee shop. So the project is just supposed to take 4 days, and get this, the only form of payment that I'll be receiving for this is meat pies. No cash, no card, just pies. I'll be relying on my woodworking skills and love of savory pies to get me through the week. I guess we'll be turning furniture into pies.
Come out.
It's one of my favorite things to do. So yeah, stick around. We'll be finishing off the build here, and we've got the last 2 days to finish this off. The timeline is pretty crunch, so let's see if we make it. Bobby, photobombing my shot. So where we're at currently, we have a table that is glued together, 2 pieces. And we have some material that we can make the base for that table out of. The 2 curved logs that we picked out for the benches have quite a bit of sanding into them already, but we're still going to need a bit more and some notching to finish those off. Plus, all of this needs stain just to get it ready for its outdoor life. So, what's the plan, Mike?
Let's do it. This is the only handsaw that I can find. It looks very old. I don't think it's been used in many, many years, but this is where we're at. I wonder if waxing this would help.
At this point in the project, Mike reverted to full sawmill operator and fired up the sawmill and the chainsaw, because these are the tools we are most familiar with.
I don't know if we're gonna make the deadline. It's not looking good at this point. After we glued the top together, we went around and looked for some material to make the base of the table out of. Opted to use these heavy 10 by 10 fir blocks, came up with a concept, and then when we actually went to implement it, we ran into some issues. We're in the realm of butchering these blocks to being unusable. We're gonna try really quick to do a recovery cut here, but if this doesn't work, we're gonna have to come up with a new design for the base of the table. And at the end of today, we were supposed to get staining, so it's not looking good. We'll see if this deadline is gonna happen or not. Okay, somehow I managed to save this one, maybe. You can see there's a little scour here. I think it's good enough. This one, on the other hand, that mark's always gonna be there, so I'll just clean it up to the line, and then we'll decide if it's worth saving or not. That's about as good as I'm gonna get it without going deeper. I could maybe take the notch down, which would fix that problem, but it will never fix that problem. Maybe I'll just stop now, and we'll see if the rest is repairable or not. Another block ready. Our benches are all laid out, so that's gonna be our reference line, and then we're gonna miter here and there, and then these 2 ends will come together and be flush on site. If necessary, we'll give them some structural wood screws to just kind of tie them together. And then we have a bunch of fitting to do here, because we need to make this sit on this. So mating these 2 is gonna be a little bit of a challenge. back it out quick.
Is it coming?
No.
It's not. No. Oh, we should do what we did the first time.
It was almost catastrophic.
Well, how about I just sand a whole bunch in this area?
Yeah, just around there, and that should fit. How many dowels do you think we're gonna need to hold this thing together?
I think only 2, because we were using pretty decent sized ones, right? Probably use the same ones you used for your your kiln. So I would say 2.
Oh yeah. Ah.
There.
Good enough.
Yeah, this is an excellent platform for sanding.
Epic pano, dude. Okay, so it's the end of day 4. This is the 4th day. It's getting late. It's like 2 o'clock. And we have everything sort of finished. It's kind of ready to be moved into place. So I don't know if you want to call that a success or not. But that was 4 days.
Alright, if you guys enjoy this video and you want to see more like it, you can reach out to our associates at Vale Coffee. These guys started their small batch roastery from scratch and now they're making some of the best quality coffee around, and you guys can get access to it by ordering it through their website. Use our discount code Mountain Voice at checkout, get 10% off your whole order. By you supporting them, you're supporting, well, them, but that's okay because I like Vale Coffee. Get on their website and try some of their products. You won't regret it. They're super delicious.
So worth it.